Hello guys, so if you're looking to play Counter-Strike or CSGO 2, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now in the first video I have shown you how you can get the game and download the game. So after downloading and installing the game, it's pretty much the same. But in the CSGO 2 or Counter-Strike 2, you will find a whole lot of new features. Like for example, as you can see over here, it have now responsive smokes. So what responsive smokes are, let me show you. So responsive smokes are now 3D smokes that can cover and interact with the nearby objects. So as you can see over here, they are all now 3D rendered objects. As you can see over here, in the previous versions they were only 2D. So in this one they are completely 3D and completely interactive smokes, and they can change the volume and shape of the smoke depending on the location. So as you can see, they are designed to fill up spaces as well and can be used in very tactical way to achieve a whole lot of things, as you can see right over here. So if you come down, you will find more information about this type of smoke and how you can use it. Now moving on, you will also find moving beyond tick rate. So what tick rate is? Now in the previous games, you cannot move and shoot at the same time because your bullets will not be registered if you will walk and shoot at the same time, because they had a gap between all the ticks, as you can see right over here in this graph. So now what they have done is they have completely removed the space, and what it means, now every single click that you make will be registered and will register a clear shot. So that's what they have done with the tick rate. Now you can just simply go around and walk and shoot at the same time and all the shot will land perfectly. Now that's not all. So if you come down, you will see that they have completely re-leveled a lot of places in CSGO. Now for example, so as you know, there are 3 types of stages in map tier. So the first is tombstones. So in this one they have pretty much not changed anything, but they have ramped up the lighting and added a lumen, which is a physically based lighting system. So the next one is the upgrades, where they have again enhanced the lighting quality and the textures of multiple objects, as you can see over here. So in Overhaul, they have completely redesigned the old CSGO maps from ground up. So they have added buildings, places, new textures, and they have added far more features than you can possibly imagine. So if you go down more, you will find more options over here. So as you can see the Overhaul maps over here, this was what it looked originally in the old games, and this is what it looks now. You can see it has a lot of changes. So over here as well, as you can see, the assets have been changed, completely changed, and have also been added few more extra assets as well, like the screen at the back. As you can see over here as well, and new assets were made and added over here. Also over here as well. So as you can see, old assets were removed and were added new assets and new lighting system as well. And the same for the upgrade maps as well. As you can see, the lighting and the textures has been upgraded for all of them. So for the traditional map, as you know, nothing have been changed but the lighting itself. And in the CSGO 2, you have all the access to all of your skins which you had in the CSGO 1. So you can easily get all of them in the Counter-Strike 2 as well. So that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.